Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. I'm gonna do a little mixed drink, kind of a experiment, because I was just kind of curious about something. The 99 root beer. I wanted to see how it would go with the Barq's regular root beer, and just make it like an alcoholic drink with the two. I was just curious how they went together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour this into a drink glass. Smells good. It's a liqueur. Okay, so now let's pour this Barq's in there. Let's put some ice. Nice root beer aroma. It changed it up to a little bit more caramelization, because this is really caramely. It's really syrupy. Maybe getting the alcohol just a tiny bit. All right, let's try it. Wow, that goes good. That goes good together. Barq's root beer is a good root beer anyway, so adding it to this gave it an even more stronger root beer taste, with a little bit more caramelization for me. It's good. Hello. It's cold out here today. You know, got the 59 degrees, but the sun didn't come out, so it stayed in the shade. It was a lot cooler most of the day. Now it's like a little after 4, and the temperature's starting to drop now again. So this is good. This is good. It changes the taste. It's just a little experiment. I mean, is it a big enough deal for you to go out and get one of these and get one of these and mix it yourself to see what it's like? Not really. It's not that spectacular to try it. I was just curious to see what it was like. I just thought I'd show you guys and let you get the first impressions on it from me upon trying it. I don't know what I was expecting, really. I mean, I like it. Maybe you know, if you if you don't on the on the mixture, maybe if you have, see, this wasn't a full bottle. If you have a full bottle of these, full bottle of this, and pour it in here and add the rest of a root beer, your favorite, whatever, and then some ice, you may get a little bit more alcohol. The way I have it now, I'm not really getting like that much. That first drink I took, I could feel a little bit of a warming, you know, an alcohol, you know, alcohol warning, liquor warming sensation in my stomach. As I get to the bottom, there's a kid that's, he's probably, I'm going to estimate, he's probably 12. He's probably close, he's probably 12, 13 years old. He's riding a dirt bike down the road. He's been riding all over the place. My wife went out to go get some sinus pills, and she said he pulled out right out in front of her. She had to put her brakes on. It's a dirt bike, and this is a busy street out here. It's a rural, how do you pronounce it? Rural, a rural street that's busy, you know. It's just a straight shot, you know, people coming this way and coming this way. It's not a very wide road. People are backing out all the time. They're not going to see him or probably hear him, and he's going to get hit. He's too young to be out here by himself, you know, without a parent somewhere around nearby. They probably live on the other street, you know, so they don't know what he's doing and how he's acting. He must have got it for Christmas or something. There he comes again. He's wearing a helmet. I'm proud of him to see him that he's wearing a helmet at least. But anyway. So yeah, as I get to the bottom of this glass, I'm getting more, you know, a more different taste, maybe a little bit more alcohol, because it's like, I don't know if the differential bodies of each liquid, I don't know if I'm using the right wording, are different in the way of one's heavier than the other, so that maybe this is staying down lower, being a liqueur. I'm not a scientist, so I don't know if that's a fact or not, or if that's what it does, but I'm getting this more down here at the bottom. I didn't stir it up. I poured this aggressively, thinking that maybe it will stir it up naturally. Don't know if it did. This being syrupy, it may have needed a little bit more than just pour from the bottle. I don't know. But it's getting better as I get down to the bottom. So anyway, so maybe if you had a straw, you'd be sucking out of the straw. He thinks he's cool with his new bike. He's standing up on the pedals and just kind of coasting along. You know, about 3 or 4 months ago, maybe a little bit more than that now, maybe closer to 6 months ago, if he would have been riding up and down this road, he'd have been chased by dogs, because there was a pack of dogs around here that, well, people's dogs, they had some over here. They were all over the place, and they would have been chasing him. And there was a one that used to live back this way, a white pit, that he attacked our mailman, and the mailman, that mailman, we don't see him anymore. He's gone. He jumped up and grabbed his arm as he was trying to put mail in a box for somebody. He attacked a woman that was walking her child to the school bus. He was a very aggressive pit. he would have chased that kid and probably would have grabbed his leg. Yeah, so he's fortunate right now that there's not a bunch of dogs that are aggressive running around here. All right, so yeah, this is getting gooder and gooder. This is getting gooder and gooder as you get to the bottom of the glass. I keep thinking something's on my nose right there. So anyway, this is good. It's not a huge difference, but you get it more when you get to the bottom of the glass. So I'm gonna end it there. I've been rambling, you know, kind of. But yeah, I wanted to try this. I just wanted to try it. So if you guys are curious, I mean, these are cheap. These are cheap. Try it for yourself. Just see what you think, and you can always comment on this video and say, hey Jerry, if you do this, you know, if you add a little bit of this, it's a lot different. You'll see the difference. So you can try that next time if you're, you know, wanting to make it more different. And I'd say, all right, I'll do it. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.